Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your profile photo in Gmail using your PC. Whether you want to remove an outdated picture, or simply prefer not to have one at all, the process is quick and easy. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once there, log in with your Google account credentials. After you've logged in, you'll land on your inbox where you can see all your emails. Now, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture displayed there. Click on it to open a small menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, click on Manage your Google account. This will redirect you to your account settings, where you can adjust various aspects of your Google profile. Next, find the Personal Info tab in the left sidebar and click on it. This section contains all the details related to your account, including your profile picture. Once you're in the Personal Info tab, scroll down to find your profile picture. Click on it, and this will open up options for managing your picture. Finally, click on Remove. This action will prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete your profile photo. Once you confirm, your profile picture will be removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your profile photo in Gmail using your PC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips.